Hello and welcome. Today we are talking about 5 foods that can really help boost heart health after the age of 50. If you are watching because you want more energy, fewer worries at your next doctor visit, and meals that taste great and support your heart, you're in the right place. I will share simple science-based reasons these foods help, practical ways to add them to your day, portion suggestions, safety tips, and easy meal ideas that are senior friendly. Let us get started. First, a quick note. This video is for information and motivation. It does not replace personalized medical advice. If you take medicines, especially blood thinners, blood pressure medications, or have kidney disease, talk with your doctor before changing your diet significantly. Small steps matter. You do not need to do everything all at once. One smart swap per week adds up. Number 1, fatty fish. Think salmon, mackerel, sardines, trout. Why it helps. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fats, also called EPA and DHA. These fats help lower inflammation, can reduce triglycerides, and support healthy heart rhythm. Studies show regular consumption of fatty fish is associated with lower risk of heart disease and heart-related events. How much and how often? Aim for 2 servings per week. A serving is about 3 to 4 ounces cooked, roughly the size of a deck of cards. Canned options like salmon or sardines are excellent, budget-friendly, and convenient. They are already cooked and easy to add to salads or whole grain toast. Senior-friendly ways to eat fatty fish. For softer texture, choose baked or poached options. Try a simple baked salmon. Place a fillet on a sheet. Drizzle a little olive oil. Squeeze fresh lemon. Sprinkle pepper. Bake until flaky. Flake it over cooked vegetables or gentle mashed potatoes if chewing is a concern. For a quick meal, make sardine salad on whole grain crackers, or mix canned salmon with a little plain yogurt, lemon, and herbs for a soft salmon spread. Safety and tips. If you take a blood thinner, talk to your doctor about omega-3 supplements. Whole fish is usually safe, but supplements can change medicine effects. Choose low-mercury options like salmon, sardines, and trout, especially if you eat fish frequently. Frozen fillets are a great way to buy when on sale and keep portions individually. Number 2. Oats and other whole grains, with an emphasis on oats. Why it helps. Oats contain soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Soluble fiber helps lower LDL cholesterol, the kind associated with plaque buildup in arteries. Oats also help keep blood sugar steadier and support healthy digestion. For many people over 50, getting enough fiber can make a big difference in cholesterol and overall heart risk. How much and how to include them. A bowl of cooked oats each day is a simple and effective habit. A half a cup of dry oats cooked makes a generous bowl. If you prefer other whole grains, choose barley, steel-cut oats, quinoa, and brown rice rather than refined white bread and white rice. Senior-friendly ways to eat oats. Make overnight oats for an easy cold breakfast, or cook oats gently so they are soft and easy to chew. Stir in mashed banana, applesauce, or pureed cooked fruit for sweetness without excess sugar. Add a handful of berries or a sprinkle of chopped nuts for texture. If swallowing or chewing is difficult, blend cooked oats with milk or a milk alternative and a spoon of nut butter for a creamy smoothie. Practical tips. Instant flavored packets often have added sugar and less fiber. Choose plain oats and add your own flavor. For variety, use oats in savory ways like a soft porridge topped with sautéed spinach and a poached egg, or form oat-based patties with grated vegetables and bake. Number 3. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. Why they help. Berries are loaded with antioxidants called flavonoids and anthocyanins. These plant compounds support healthy blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and improve blood pressure in some studies. Berries also provide fiber and natural sweetness, which can help with cravings for less healthy sweets. Serving suggestions. Aim for 1 cup of berries a day, fresh or frozen. Frozen berries are often less expensive, available year-round, and just as nutritious. Thaw them gently or add them frozen to smoothies. Senior-friendly ways to eat berries. Mix berries into cooked oats for a warm morning meal. Top plain yogurt or cottage cheese with berries for a protein-rich snack. Make a gentle berry compote by simmering berries with a splash of water and a little cinnamon until they soften. This compote is easy to spoon over soft cereals, pancakes, or softer desserts. Safety and tips. If you take blood thinners, berries are fine, but always keep your healthcare team informed about big diet changes. Berries are low in calories and high in fiber, which helps with digestion. If chewing is difficult, cook berries into sauces, smoothies, or purees. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Think walnuts, almonds, flax seeds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Why they help. Nuts and seeds provide healthy unsaturated fats, fiber, magnesium, and plant-based protein. Walnuts in particular are rich in omega-3 type ALA, which supports heart health. Studies show that regular nut consumption can lower cholesterol and reduce risk of heart disease. How much and how to include them? A small handful a day is a good target, about 1 ounce. For seeds like chia or ground flaxseed, 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is effective. Sprinkle seeds on cereals, mix nuts into yogurt or salads, or enjoy a small handful as a midday snack. Senior-friendly ways to eat nuts and seeds. If chewing is a concern, choose nut butters. Smooth almond butter or peanut butter can be spread on soft whole grain toast, mixed into oatmeal, or stirred into smoothies. Ground flaxseed is a gentle option to add to cooked cereals, yogurt, or baked goods for extra fiber. Chia seeds can be mixed into milk or a milk alternative and left to sit until they form a gel. This makes a spoonable pudding that is soft and easy to eat. Safety and tips. Nuts are calorie dense, so stick to recommended portions. Choose unsalted nuts to limit sodium. If you have difficulty swallowing whole nuts, use butters or finely chopped options. If you have a nut allergy, seeds are a great alternative. Number 5. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard. Why they help. Leafy greens are high in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and nitrates that support healthy blood pressure and blood vessel function. They also provide vitamin K, fiber, and potassium. Multiple studies link higher leafy green intake with lower rates of heart disease. How much and how to include them? Aim for at least 1 to 2 cups of leafy greens each day. That can be 1 cup cooked or 2 cups raw. Fresh or frozen options work well. Frozen spinach and collards are inexpensive and very convenient. Senior-friendly ways to eat leafy greens. Cook greens gently to make them tender. Sauté spinach with a little olive oil and garlic until wilted and serve alongside a piece of fish. Add finely chopped kale to soups and stews where it softens during cooking. Blend a handful of spinach into a fruit smoothie for a nutrient boost without a strong taste. If you take blood thinners like warfarin, do not avoid leafy greens entirely. Instead, keep your intake consistent and talk with your health provider so your medication can be monitored and adjusted as needed. Safety and tips. If you have kidney disease or are on certain blood pressure medicines, talk to your doctor about potassium intake from greens. Cooked greens reduce volume and can concentrate flavors, so start with small amounts if you are new to eating them. Putting it all together. Now that you know the 5 foods, here are simple meal ideas that combine them. Breakfast. Overnight oats with berries and a tablespoon of ground flaxseed, topped with a few chopped walnuts. This covers oats, berries, nuts, and seeds. Lunch, a mixed salad with baby spinach, canned salmon, cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of seeds, served with a slice of whole grain bread. Snack, plain yogurt with a handful of berries and a small handful of almonds, or whole grain crackers with soft salmon spread. Dinner, baked salmon with a side of gently cooked kale and a small portion of barley or brown rice. Dessert, a soft berry compote with a dollop of low-fat ricotta or plain Greek yogurt. Shopping and budget-friendly tips. Buy frozen fish and frozen berries for savings and long storage life. Canned fish can be one of the most heart-healthy budget items. Buy larger bags of oats and seeds in bulk for savings. Look for unsalted nuts or choose unsalted versions and portion them into small containers to control calories. Frozen greens and frozen vegetables are usually less expensive and require less preparation. Easy week plan for beginners. Pick 2 days this week to include fatty fish. Have oats for breakfast 3 mornings this week. Add a cup of berries to snacks or breakfast every day. Keep a small jar of mixed nuts and seeds for daily portions. Add 1 serving of leafy greens to at least 2 meals per day. For example, a side of sautéed spinach at dinner and a spinach-based breakfast smoothie in the morning. Other important heart-healthy habits to pair with these foods. Stay active in ways that make sense for you. Gentle walking, water aerobics, balance exercises, and light resistance training all support heart health and independence. Maintain a healthy weight. Manage stress through breathing, meditation, hobbies, and social connection. If you smoke, seek help to quit. Keep regular medical appointments. Follow medication advice, and track levels like blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar with your care team. Gentle modifications for common challenges. If you have trouble chewing, choose softer preparations like poached fish, cooked greens, and pureed or mashed fruits and vegetables. If you have poor appetite, make smaller nutrient-dense meals and increase frequency. If you have limited mobility, ask a family member or a local meal delivery service for help, and choose pre-cut vegetables and frozen options to reduce kitchen time. Troubleshooting common concerns. Concern about weight gain from nuts. Nuts are healthy but dense, so measure portion sizes. 1 ounce a day is enough for benefits. Concern about sodium in canned foods. Look for low sodium or no salt added options. Rinse canned beans and vegetables to reduce sodium further. Concern about taste. Use herbs, lemon juice, vinegar, and spices to boost flavor without extra salt. How quickly you may notice benefits. Some changes like lower blood pressure, better digestion, and more stable energy can happen in days to weeks. Lowering LDL cholesterol and seeing big changes in risk often takes months. The key is consistency. Small, steady changes are the most sustainable and the most effective over time. A final word of encouragement. After 50, your heart still responds beautifully to good food, movement, and restful sleep. These 5 foods are tools that fit easily into most kitchens and budgets. Start with one change this week. Try overnight oats for breakfast. Add a handful of berries to a snack, or swap a red meat meal for baked salmon. Celebrate each healthy choice, and remember that progress is the sum of tiny improvements. Summary quick recap. Fatty fish for omega-3 support. Eat 2 servings per week. Oats for soluble fiber and cholesterol lowering. Enjoy a bowl daily. Berries for antioxidants. Aim for 1 cup a day. Nuts and seeds for healthy fats and fiber. 1 ounce of nuts or 1 to 2 tablespoons of seeds per day. Leafy greens for vitamins, nitrates, and potassium. Aim for 1 to 2 cups daily. Thank you for listening and for taking care of your heart. Small steps lead to big changes. Try one new recipe this week that includes at least one of these foods, and notice how you feel. If you enjoyed this, consider saving it for your next shopping trip. Be kind to yourself, and make one heart-healthy choice today.